During ultrasound examination, a transverse section of the umbilical cord revealed two circles. One is a large irregular circle, and the other is smaller and circular. What is the name of this condition? What is the expected Doppler finding? How would you manage this condition? The umbilical cord is formed of a single large vein and two smaller arteries. During histological examination, it looks like a face, with the vein in the center and the two small arteries looks like two eyes. During ultrasound examination, a cut section of the umbilical cord looks like the face of Mickey Mouse, with the vein large and irregular, and the two small arteries looks like ears of Mickey Mouse. Sometimes the cut section of the umbilical cord will reveal two circles. One represents a vein and the other represents an artery. This condition is called single umbilical artery. Here you can see the cut section of a normal umbilical cord with one vein and two arteries. And during a Doppler study in axial view, you can see the bladder, urinary bladder, and the two umbilical arteries alongside the urinary bladder. In single umbilical artery, you can see one vein and only one artery in this cut section. And during a Doppler study, this is the bladder, and we can visualize only one umbilical artery besides the urinary bladder. The normal umbilical cord consists of two umbilical arteries and one umbilical vein. Single umbilical artery is the most common variant of umbilical cord. It is found in 0.5% of second trimester scans. The existing single umbilical artery compensates, and its lumen is usually bigger than that of a 3-vessel cord. About 1/3 of fetuses with single umbilical artery have structural abnormalities. The main affected systems are cardiovascular and the genitourinary systems. In addition, chromosomal anomalies are found in 10%. Single umbilical artery is a marker for the development of fetal growth restriction and premature birth. The finding of a single umbilical artery is an indication for detailed anatomical ultrasound examination, with particular focus on the cardiovascular and the genitourinary system. If targeted sonography finds otherwise normal anatomy, this is called an isolated single umbilical artery, and it doesn't significantly raise the fetal aneuploidy risk. In addition, it is an indication for increased pregnancy monitoring because of the higher risk of IUGR.